Good morning everyone, welcome to the Caddie 26 launch. Before I'm going to show you all the nice new features in Caddie 26, I'm just going to recap on the installation for the first time viewers. First of all, you're going to download your software, you're going to install the software. The first time you're going to open Caddie, Caddie will prompt several decisions that you have to make, like settings that you have to set up. In this case, the first dialog will ask you your regional setting. I'm going to make use of South Africa. Then my Caddie license. Now the Caddie license, that's if you've got a dongle or a soft lock key. If you're using what we call the evaluation version, then just leave it like that. Caddie will then automatically give you a 13-day trial version. Then we've got the menu system. At the moment, as you can see, the default menu system is ticked. So what that means is it will make use of the multi-discipline menu. Now on my left hand side, this is how your multi-discipline menu looks like. If I go to my draw, you will see that although I can see only 5 line commands, if I go to draw from my menu bar and I go to lines, it will show me some more line commands. So the multi-discipline menu only displays the most commonly used commands. If you make use of the classic menu, then this is how your classic menu will look like. On my left hand side, if I go to my lines, it will display all my line commands. If I go to my curve, it will display all my curve commands. So for our exercise, I'm going to stick to this multi-discipline menu, and you will see that once you're going to say OK, Caddie will just remind you that the chosen menu system is the default menu system. You can swap to the classic individual application at any time by choosing configure from the top menu. You can go to configure at the top, we go down to menu system, and you're going to select classic menu. Caddie will restart, and then Caddie will display you the classic menu. For the Caddie 26 launch, we're going to stick to this multi-discipline menu. Now the first thing that's new in Caddie 26 is the new look. So to make use of the new look, we're going to go to view at the top, we go down to change theme. You will see that there's a modern option, and then I'm going to show you the dark theme first. As you can see, there's no need for me to restart Caddie. Caddie do the adjustments in the background, and as you can see, this is how the dark theme looks like. And now I'm going to show you if you want to make use of a lighter theme. I'm going to go to view, change theme, and now I'm going to show you the light theme. But for the launch, we're going to make use of the classic theme. We go to classic, and I'm going to show you using the blue theme.